We came to the mountains, and after driving the cable car, rowing across the lake, and some of us even swimming in the ice-cold water, it was time for the big hike. At this point, Ezengwa didn't know what he got himself into, but it's gonna be fun, I promise.
Onyoji Nenu Ugu. Yes.
This is what I call for
I know. Amam. Huh?
Ugu accent. Ugu.
And for this trip, we brought the big family. Ezengwa's daughter Ifunanya, her boyfriend, and all of our kids, except for Obere Chief, were taking on the challenge of climbing this huge hill.
Yes.
Oburoberife, 1.5 hours, straight up.
I'm gonna eat.
From there. We still have to go far.
To see if we finally made it to the top and the kind of wild animals we met on the way, stay tuned.